Comparing fractions with the same denominator. In previous tutorials, we explained that a denominator of a fraction represents the way the whole is divided, the number of divisions of the whole, or in other words, the partition method used. Therefore, it is evident that if two fractions have the same denominator, the value of numerator determines which fraction is the greatest, as numerator shows how many parts from the whole we are using. In this way, we can easily conclude that if two fractions have the same denominator, the fraction with the biggest numerator is the greatest. Obviously, the condition for comparison of fraction is that they must represent the same type of item. This means we cannot compare 2/3 of an apple with 1/3 of an orange, but only items of the same kind. We have the following example shown on screen. Because in both cases we have an item divided into 5 equal pieces, and in the fractions we have taken more pieces than in the second, for greater than 2, as shown in the following figure on screen. That is all for lesson 3.3.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 3.3.2, Comparing Fractions with the Same Numerator. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.